Hello everyone, myself Snehal Shinde, lecturer in Pravin Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology from Electrical Department. Subject is Utilization of Electrical Energy, Subject Code 22626, Unit 3rd, Electric Drives and Elevators. In the previous video, we studied about the electric drive. Now from this video, we will study elevators. So function of elevator. Elevator is a vertical transportation device electrically operated for transportation people or goods in the multi-stored buildings. Nowadays, population, particularly in cities and towns, increasing with vast speed and need of residential accommodation is becoming a problem due to the shortage of land. So the way out of this is the multi-stored buildings having so many residential flats. This needs vertical transportation by lifts or elevators. Not only in residential buildings, the lifts are necessary in hospitals, big commercial buildings, industries, also in mines for a labor and goods transportation. So elevators are electrically operated devices used for lifting up and down moving load in suitable direction. Lifts in multi-stored buildings or hotels for facilitating up and down movement of the occupants. So the function of elevator is transporting at a fixed place. Now next is the types of the electric elevators. Depending upon the requirements, need and situation, elevators are the various types. According to the type of electric current, direct current DC elevators, alternating current AC elevators. According to the service, passenger elevators, freight elevator, combination of freight passenger elevators, special elevators. Third is the according to the speed, low speed elevator, medium speed elevators, high speed elevators. Fourth is the according to the capacity, that is light duty elevators, medium speed elevators, heavy duty elevators, extra heavy duty elevators. According to the method of operation of the elevators, fully magnetic, semi-magnetic, according to the location of the power unit, that is undermounted and overmounted. Seventh is according to the rope drive use, full wrap drive and half wrap drive. Eighth is the according to the motor drive used in gear drive, non-gear drive. Ninth one is according to the motor and car velocity ratio, that is direct drive, 2:1 reduction drive, multi-reduction drive. 10th is the according to the basic principle of the control, that is the variable voltage drive, rheostatic drive. 11th is according to the control system use, variable voltage type drive, semi-magnetic type drive. According to the power unit, drum elevator drive, traction elevator. According to the method of balancing, that is counterbalance type drive, compensated type drive. According to the method of operating the control, semi-magnetic and full magnetic. Application of the are elevators are needed in domestic, commercial, mines and industrial purpose such as in mines for labor transport and material transport, in small and medium houses, four-stored and above, in traction work, in hotels of luxurious multi-stored structures, in stores for passenger and goods upward downward transport, for sidewalks, any garages, in hospitals for patients from one to other floors or in operation rooms. Express elevators for long length up down people transportation. Freight elevators for hotels, stores to carry the heavy loads. In industrial plants, special type elevators are used. Requirements of motors for elevators. High starting torque 2.5 to 3 times the full load torque. Rapid acceleration, rapid retardation, inertia of moving parts be minimum. Armature diameter of the elevator motors be small. Such motor are DC series motor, AC induction motor. Next is the safety device in electric elevators. So, the safety devices are following are the main safety devices provided in elevators. That is, car operating switch. It has automatic speed settings mechanism. So these are the safety device in electric elevators. So following are the steps. First is the car operating switch. It has automatic speed setting mechanism. If operator takes off his hands over from lever, it automatically returns to the off position. Car safety switch. This is provided in the circuitry. Its operation is activated when car operating switch fails to operate. This safety switch operates in the emergency cases. Door safety switches. These are used in the combination of door locks. It prevents the car operation unless all doors are closed or locked. Over travel switches. Sometimes the regular terminal stop fails. In such situations, the over travel switch plays its part to stop the car. Guide strips and overspeed governor. Its location is below the car. A small winding drum is used to connected to the governor with the grip. If the normal speed in the elevator, so by this force the grips against the guide rails to stop the car. Terminal limit switches. This arrangement is for smooth landing of elevator car. So for smooth operation and to give faultless service, the elevator is provided various protective systems operated automatically or by hand switching, and the protective devices are mainline, service, switch and fuses. They are mounted in an accessible location in the elevator machine room and usually enclosed in a metal cabinet. Circuit breaker and overload relay. Overload relays are used in order to secure protection against overloading of the elevator itself They are normally set below the fuse rating. Overspeed slowdown relay. Overspeeding of the elevator in either direction will cause the relay to operate and thus automatically retard the speed. Phase failure protective relay. The failure of any phase causes the relay to open the controller circuit and thus disconnect the motor from the supply lines. Phase reversal protective relay. The reversal of phases immediately open the controller circuit and prevent the elevator motor being connected to the lines until the relation of phases is corrected. Thank you.